Dear students of Standard 7, welcome to your English for Today class. Today we will discuss Unit 9, Lesson 1 and 2. The topic of Unit 9 is Climate Change. Lesson 1, Mother Earth in Crisis. Samina is in class 7 and Arif in class 6. They both felt uncomfortable the other day. It was just the beginning of March, and the day was very hot. In the small town of Sherpur, summer had come with all its heat and warmth. Samina and Arif had nothing much to do. While sitting idle on the veranda, they saw their uncle Anwar coming to them. Anwar works in an NGO called Save the Earth. Samina and Arif started talking with their uncle about weather and climate. Anwar: Children, why are you sitting idle here? You look very unhappy. Sabina: Uncle, it's so hot all day long. Arif: And there is no electricity. We can't use fans. Samina: We can't watch television either. Uncle, why is it so hot now? Anwar: In fact, we have an early summer this year. It's been happening for the last 4 or 5 years. Seasons are shifting. Arif: What's shifting, uncle? Anwar: Summer usually starts from April, but this year it has come in March. This moving from April to March is a shift or change. Samina: Why do seasons shift, uncle? Anwar: Well, this is for climate change, and many things are happening on this earth due to climate change. For example, seasons are shifting, temperatures are climbing, and sea levels are rising. If things go on like this, our Mother Earth will be in danger. Samina: Uncle, what will happen if the earth is in danger? How will we survive on this earth? Anwar: Well, I am going to give you a booklet now. Please read it and you will know more about climate change. Samina and Arif: Thank you, uncle. We will certainly read it. Dear students, from the text, we have come to know about some important terms or features like climate change, shifting of seasons, climbing of temperature, and rising of sea levels. Do you know why they are occurring? They are occurring due to global warming. What is global warming? Global warming is a rise in the average global temperature and is an aspect of climate change. It is caused by increased amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, mainly from human activities such as burning fossil fuels and deforestation. Burning fossil fuels, that is coal, gas and oil, produces carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas. It is called a greenhouse gas because it produces a greenhouse effect. Due to this greenhouse effect, the temperature is rising in an alarming rate, causing climate change, which results in higher temperature, shifting of seasons, melting of glaciers, rising of sea levels, and more extreme climate events like heavy rainstorms and heat waves that are already occurring. Students, one of the important features we have come to know from the text is the shifting of seasons. How are seasons shifting? Shifting seasons are directly linked to warmer global temperatures that affects climate. And climate change also affects the seasons. Scientists predict that a changing climate will also change how our seasons are arranged all through the year. Instead of 4 or 6 seasons of almost equal lengths, the year will be dominated by just 2 seasons, winter and summer. Other seasons will become short, and most of the year there will be more extreme hot and cold. As global temperatures have risen, the seasons are shifting. As a result, winters are shorter, summers are longer, and autumn arrives later. Already, we are experiencing heat waves becoming more frequent in the summer. Dear students, in page 98, there is an exercise including some pictures that Samina and Arif had seen in the booklet which their uncle had given. All the pictures are about dangers caused by climate change. In a box, there are some captions given in your textbook. You have to choose a caption given in the box to match each picture. Now, let us match the captions with the pictures. Number 1, we can see higher temperature. Number 2, wildlife at risk of extinction. Number 3, rising sea level at Cox's Bazar. Number 4, flooding of rivers in monsoon. Number 5, drought in North Bengal. Number 6, it is stronger cyclone and tornadoes. So dear students, these are the dangers we can face due to climate change. Lesson 2. The heating up of Earth. The sun is getting hotter. It is also very old. It is about 4,500 million years old. The Earth's climate has been changing for all those years. But the climate is heating up much faster now. Humans and their machines are responsible for the rapid heating up of the Earth. Almost all machines use fuels such as oil, gas or coal. All of them are polluting environment. Much of this pollution contains a gas called carbon dioxide. It is this gas which pollutes the atmosphere. Students, in page number 100, there is exercise B where some statements are given. You have to write whether the statements are true or false. If the statement is false, give the correct answer. How will you do it? Let us see. Suppose the first one is the Earth's climate has been changing for 4,500 million years. Students, the statement is correct. It is true. So, we can write in this way. Answer true. The second one, only machines are responsible for the Earth's getting hotter. Students, is it true? Of course not. It is not true. So what will be the correct answer? Answer false. The correct answer Humans and their machines are responsible for the Earth's getting hotter. This is the way you will write your answer of exercise, including true false. Now there are more three. Coal is one kind of fuel. Carbon dioxide gas pollutes the environment. Now the sun is not as hot as it was 10 years ago. Students, you have to solve the exercise in your CW copy and submit in the group. Students, again in page number 100 there is another exercise, that is D number exercise. There are some activities mentioned and you have to find out which one of these activities warms up the atmosphere, and you also have to explain why you think so. Number 1, riding a bicycle. Number 2, riding a car. Number 3, walking. Number 4, rowing a country boat. Riding a mechanized ferry boat is the last one. You have to find out which activities warms up the environment and why do you think so. Thank you, dear students.